G'day, here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia, rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. The white that you can see on some of the stones is light reflecting off the water. I'll just zoom in a bit. Okay, as you can see, mostly blues. A lot of it's not real strong colour. Through here. Looking at the other side there. Some of these don't have a lot in it at all. That might disappear and come back out. Hard to tell. I think it's just potch. Vertical. How far it goes in, it's hard to say with that. Another bit of, I think, mostly potch. A little bit of blue showing in a few spots there. I think that one's going to be like swirl pattern, potch and colour. Mostly potch again. This has got a band of green and reddy pinks. It's not real fire material, but it's got quite a large colour banded area. These other pieces. Green band going around here, where it goes. Anyway, it's an interesting piece how it's twisted like that. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.